In this lecture, we shall study some examples of naming heterocyclic compounds. The first is oxa plus irene, oxirane. The prefix is oxa, indicating heteroatom oxygen. It is a three-membered saturated heteromonocycle, hence irene stem is used. The terminal letter A of the prefix oxa is dropped as the stem begins with vowel. देखिए इस हेटेरोमोनोसाइकिल में जो हेटेरोएटम है वो ऑक्सीजन है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर जो हम प्रीफिक्स यूज़ करेंगे वो ऑक्सा यूज़ करेंगे। ये आप टेबल 1 में देख सकते हैं। ये 3 मेंबर सैचुरेटेड हेटेरोसाइकिल है, इसीलिए यहाँ जो स्टेम यूज़ करेंगे वो इरेन यूज़ करेंगे, जो आप टेबल 2 में देख सकते हैं। जो टर्मिनल लेटर ए है प्रीफिक्स का ऑक्सा का, वो ड्रॉप किया जाता है क्योंकि जो स्टेम है वो वॉवल से बिगिन हो रही है, वॉवल आई से बिगिन हो रही है, इसीलिए इसका जो नेमिंग है वो होगा ऑक्सा प्लस इरेन, ऑक्सीरेन। द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज एजा प्लस इरिडीन, एजिरिडीन। एजा इज प्रीफिक्स एज हेटेरोएटम इज नाइट्रोजन. It is three-membered saturated heteromonocycle containing nitrogen, hence the stem iridine is used. This I have discussed in previous lecture. That is, the stems iridine, etidine and olidine are used for nitrogen containing saturated 3, 4 and 5-membered heteromonocycle respectively. This is 3-membered nitrogen containing heteromonocycle, hence we use the stem iridine. Again, the terminal letter A of aza is dropped as the stem begins with vowel. देखिए प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने आपको समझाया था कि अगर नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग सैचुरेटेड हेटेरोमोनोसाइकिल है, अगर 3 मेंबर्ड है, तो उस केस में जो स्टेम है वो यूज़ करेंगे इरिडीन। अगर 4 मेंबर्ड सैचुरेटेड नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग हेटेरोमोनोसाइकिल है तो इटिडीन यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर 5 मेंबर्ड सैचुरेटेड नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग हेटेरोमोनोसाइकिल है तो हम जो स्टेम यूज़ करेंगे वो ओलिडीन यूज़ करेंगे। तो 3, 4 and 5 membered heteromonocycle saturated containing nitrogen, we use the stem iridine, etidine and olidine respectively. तो इसीलिए इसका जो नाम है, इसका जो नेमिंग है उसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे एजा प्लस इरिडीन, एजिरिडीन। The next example is aza plus irene, azirine. Again nitrogen is present, so prefix is aza. We use the stem irene. As you know, the stem irene is used for 3-membered. This is unsaturated heteromonocycle. So we use the stem irene. You can see from this table. So the name aza plus irene, azirine. Again, A of the prefix aza is dropped as the stem begins with vowel. The next example is oxa plus aza plus iridine. There are 2 heteroatoms, oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen stands above nitrogen in priority. Hence, oxa plus aza. Iridine is used as it is nitrogen containing saturated 3-membered heteromonocycle stem. Terminal letter A of both prefix oxa and aza is dropped. You can see from the table 1 that in this naming of this compound, we see that oxa is used for oxygen and aza for nitrogen, and oxygen stands above nitrogen in priority. So, oxa plus aza plus iridine, ox as iridine. The next example is aza plus etidine, azitidine. Aza for nitrogen, etidine for nitrogen containing saturated 4-membered heteromonocycle. The terminal letter A of the prefix aza is dropped as the stem begins with vowel. The next example is aza plus ete, azete. Aza for nitrogen heteroatom and ete for the stem 4-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle. So the stem we use is ete. The next example is thia plus ethane, thiatane. thia for sulfur, and ethane for is the stem for four-membered saturated heteromonocycle. Again, the terminal letter A of the prefix thia is dropped, and so the name is thiatane. The next example is phosphor plus ol phosphol. Phosphor for phosphorus. See, you can see in this table, table 1, phosphor is the prefix for phosphorus, and ol in table 2 for 5-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle we use the stem ol. So phosphol, the terminal letter A of the prefix phosphor is dropped. The next example is oxa plus olane, oxolane. Again, oxa for oxygen and olane for saturated 5-membered heteromonocycle. You see, olane is the stem for saturated 5-membered heteromonocycle. So the name is oxolane. Again, the terminal letter A of the prefix oxa is dropped. The next example is thia plus olane, thiolane. Thia for sulfur and olane for saturated 5-membered heteromonocycle. So the name is thiolane. Then similarly, thia plus epane, thiapane, thia for sulfur and epane for 7-membered saturated heteromonocycle. So the name is thiapane. Then next we come aza plus epene, azepine. Aza for nitrogen and epene for 7-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle. You can see this table. Stem, table 2, the stem used for 7-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle is epene. So aza plus epene, azepine. The next example is oxa plus epene, oxipine. Oxa for oxygen and again epene for 7-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle, oxipine. Then last example is aza plus ocene, azocene. Aza for nitrogen and ocene is the stem used for 8-membered unsaturated heteromonocycle. So the naming is azocene. A of the prefix, terminal letter A of the prefix aza is again dropped as the stem begins with vowel. So these are the few examples. In the next lecture we shall study some more examples of the naming of heteroatoms based on few rules. Thank you.